Similarly, you write the solution for question number 2nd of the 8th one. Express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. Means similar way how I wrote. First 11 odd numbers, odd natural numbers you have to add, like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17, like that. You add 11 odd numbers, you will get 121. Okay, next question number 9. How many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? They are giving here numbers 12 and 13. In between these square, 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169. In between 144 and 169, how many numbers are lying? Let's see. Observe here, they are given the examples, numbers between square numbers. See here. 1 square. 1 square is how much? 1. 2 square is 4. In between perfect squares we are finding now. Okay. 1 and 4 perfect squares. In between these two numbers, how many numbers exist? These are non-perfect squares. Whether 2 is a square? No. Whether 3 is a perfect square? No. Both are non-perfect square numbers. How many non-perfect square numbers exist between two consecutive perfect square numbers? After 1, what is the perfect square? 4 only now. So, those two are called as consecutive perfect squares. Now, see, after 1, 2, 3, then 4 will come. Means in between 1 and 4, 2 non-square numbers are existing. Similarly, 2 square and 3 square. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. In between 4 and 9, how many numbers existing? After 4, what will come? 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. Right? Similar way. See the next. 3 square and 4 square. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. So, in between 9 and 16, those two are perfect squares. In between these two, 9 and 16, how many numbers exist? Say, leave 9, leave 16. So, what will be there? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many existing? 6 numbers. See, like this, in generally any numbers they give, how to find out? See, they have given at the last. Thus, in general, we can say that there are 2n, 2 multiplied by n, non-perfect square numbers between the squares of the numbers n and n plus 1. Check for 5 and 6. Okay, let's see. See, n and n plus 1. n and n plus 1. They are given here what? 5 and 6. Okay. Now, we will find out first for what? 2 and 3. Okay. n is 2. 2 plus 1. n is 2. n plus 1 is what? 1 you add to 2. How much you will get? 3. Okay. So, n is 2. n plus 1 is 3. Now, its square if you find out. What it is? 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. In between the squares, perfect squares of n and n plus 1, how many numbers are there here in between? Whenever they ask in between, you have to leave these two limits, starting and ending number, right? So, after 4, how much come? We will do that manual later. They used here 2n formula. What is 2n? 2 multiplied by n. What is n here? n is 2. Already 2 is there. So, 2 into this 2 into as it is. n is 2. 2 2s are how much? 4. Means 4 numbers are existing in between the squares of n and n plus 1. That is squares of 2 and 3. Okay, let's check. After 4 what will come? 5, then 6, 7, 8, then 9. Yes. So totally how many? 4 numbers. 4 numbers are existing between 4 and 9. 4 and 9 are the squares of 2 and 3. So by formula what we found? Correct. Both are matching, right? Both we have checked. And they are asking us to check for 5 and 9. 5 and 6. So n is 5 and n is 6 they are asking. So n. So again I am taking n place. N place how much? N is 5. If n is 5, what about n plus 1? 5 plus 1 is 6. Right? Now it's squares. Because we are finding the numbers between the perfect squares. Not only number in between perfect square. Whether 5 and 6 are perfect squares? No. Find out its square, that is 25, and here it is 36. Okay, perfect squares we found of 5 and 6. So in between these 25 and 36 how many numbers are there? Check. See, first use the formula. 2n is the formula. So 2 as it is. Here 2 and n in between, no symbol, no operational symbol, into, plus, minus, division, nothing is there, means there is a multiplication, they are under product. 2n, they are under product. So 2 into, n is how much here? 5. Starting number 5, smallest one. 2 5 is a 10. Say according to formula 10 numbers we got. Let's find out manually. What we'll get here? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 36 we should not consider. Leave 36 and 25. Remaining all in between we want now. So count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, we got 10. Like this, we should use the formula 2n to find out the numbers between two perfect square numbers. Okay, same we'll use for the question here now. See what is that? See here. To find out here 12 and 13, what we have to use? These are the n. This is the n. N plus 1 is the 13. So find out number of numbers between 12 and 13, each perfect squares. See, numbers lie between squares of the following numbers. Okay, so n is 12, n plus 1 is 13. What is the formula? The numbers between squares of 12 and 13. 12 and 13 is equal to 2n is equal to 2 into n is how much? N is 12. Which is small among these two? 12 is small. So use 12 to the 24. So 24 numbers, non-perfect square numbers are present in between 12 and 12 square and 13 square. I wrote here squares word. Okay, instead of square words, you can write here 12 square and 13 square. That also you can write. So in between 25 and 26, its squares how many? So n is 25 here. To find out its 2n. 225 is a 50. Here it is 99 and 100. N is 99. 99 into 2. How much? Find out. And that is the answer for this. Solve all these problems of exercise 6.1.